What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the sunroof switch on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Now we'll just open this glasses holder and take a Phillips head screwdriver and take these two Phillips head screws out. So what you want to do is take a right angle pick, get in here and just push back right there. There's a retainer that holds that in. Slide this down and then slide forward and pull it down. This is where that clip is. In this vehicle it's actually broken, but it's okay because the screws are going to hold it up. So if you break that clip, don't be too concerned because you have the screws. I'm going to disconnect this connector right here, just push on the lock tab, and same with right here, push down, and slide it out. To remove the sunroof switch, I'll just take a straight blade screwdriver, just going to push the little lock right there, and then same on the other side, and slide it right out. Now we'll take the switch. Now you want to make sure you install it the correct way. You don't want to install it upside down. Slide it like that. Make sure it locks in place, and that looks good. Now we'll take this connector, connect the sunroof switch. Make sure you go the right direction. And then this other switch, this other connector, slide that in there. Can take this and slide it up. Open the glasses holder. Now if your connector wasn't broken, the retainer wasn't broken, lock that in place. And then you can take the Phillips head screws, get these started. And I'll get this one started. And then I can snug them down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.